I was ugly. Came from a chick who wanna touch. I said my face bomb, abs tight, rack stuck up, shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening since last night. Hit 'em with that good, make you wanna act right. Broke boys don't deserve no kitty. I know that's right. Big bag, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back. No how I give it up. It's big bags, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, party back. No how I give it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party hot. I can make your body rock. Haters can't do nothing with me. Chances are they probably not. If I had a stick, you probably lick it like a lollipop. Shorty speaking Japanese, hit 'em with karate chop. I'm forever popping it, pulling up and dropping it. Gotta argue with him, cause you know he love a toxic chick. Niggas out here playing, gotta make him understand. If ain't no ring on my finger, you ain't going on my gram. Said my face bomb, abs tight, rack stack up, shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening since last night. Hit 'em with that good, make you wanna act right. Broke boys don't deserve no kitty. I know that's right. Big bag, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back. No how I give it up. It's big bags, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, party back. No how I give it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. They ain't messing with me now, and I can see why. Dirty, dusty, girl, you got pink eye. Say they want smoke until I bring it to their doorstep. Please tell her back, breath smell like horse. Put it on him now, he will never be the same. Tatted on my back, cause I really like the pain. Read on my back, I said I'm glad that you came. If that nigga had a twin, I would let him run it. Big bag, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back. No how I give it up. It's big bags, bustin' out the Bentley band. Take a man, working back, party back. No how I give it up. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Look, gotta play it safe. No face, no case.
Hi, honey. Like I was telling you yesterday, you are officially a big girl. You are no longer my little baby anymore. You will always be my baby, but you are no longer the baby. You're a big girl, and I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of everything about you. We've known the spicy personality that you would have since you were little. That just bossy personality since you were a young girl. You're just so smart, and I just love everything about you. You're so articulate. I just love everything about you. You are still my good luck charm. I love you. I hope you enjoyed your birthday. I hope you loved your birthday truck, your GameTruck surprise. You know Mom got you always. I love you, and I just pray that
happy birthday! You're finally 10 years old. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. You're so smart. You're so intelligent. You're so funny. And I hope you continue to be the same way as you get older in this new double-digit life.
Hi, Tyler. Nah here. I hope you have an amazing birthday. I want to wish you a happy birthday. And I hope it's as wonderful as you are. I hope you get everything that you desired, everything that you wanted. And I hope you like the surprise that your mom got you. Isn't she an amazing mom? You have the best mom in the world. Of course, besides me. As I always tell you, I love you. And I hope you have fun.
Let me explain something to you, little girl. You think you're bad because it's your birthday. But how you know it's your birthday? What if your mom got it wrong or something? How you know you had 10 birthdays? I mean, you don't even remember the first 4 or 5 birthdays anyway. Maybe the first 3 at least. So how you know you on your 10th birthday? But anyway, I'm going to wish you a happy birthday, if you say so. Happy birthday to you, Tyler.
What's up, Tyler? It's your favorite uncle in the world. I'm talking about the best one. I just want to wish you a happy birthday. I hope you feel loved today and you have a great day. You get all the money. You play all the games that you want to play. Don't nobody tell you no. You know what I'm saying? And just know that your favorite uncle love you. And I hope you have a good 10 years old day and 10 years old year. All right.
Happy birthday, Tyler. I love and miss you. Have a wonderful birthday. Continue to do well in everything that you set your mind to. I love you so much. Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tyler.
Happy birthday, TT. I hope today is a good day and I hope that you have fun partying. You're finally 10.
Average GameTruck parties are a virus. But Gamer vs. Gamer is the cure.
Gamer vs. Gamer. We look forward to treating your child like the most important kid in the world on their birthday.
These are real Gamer vs. Gamer clients, and they are part of a private birthday social club. Your child could be a part of this exclusive group of kids and receive their own superhero picture, as well as receive invites to members-only contests, movie nights, and more. Their membership is forever immortalized as their favorite superhero image. Your child will socialize and make new friends with other like-minded Gamer vs. Gamer kids throughout Metro Atlanta. Gamer vs. Gamer, Avengers League, Birthday and Social Club.